In the world of entrepreneurship, the hair business is a venture that's booming in the USA. With an ever-growing demand for innovative hair products and services, it's an industry ripe with opportunity. From hair extensions to styling services, the potential for profitability is substantial. It's a sector where creativity meets commerce, and style intertwines with strategy. So if you've been toying with the idea of diving into the hair business, let me assure you, you're in the right place. The first step in starting your hair business is identifying your niche. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is a niche? Think of a niche as your own unique corner of the market. It's a specific area that you'll focus on, something that sets your business apart from the rest. For instance, your niche could be natural hair products. There's a growing demand for products that are free of harsh chemicals and are eco-friendly. Or perhaps you're passionate about hair extensions. You could specialize in providing a wide range of high-quality extensions that cater to every hair type and style. Maybe your strength lies in providing hair salon services, offering everything from trendy cuts to luxurious treatments. Remember, the aim is to find a niche that not only you're passionate about, but also meets the specific needs of your customers. Identifying your niche will help you target your marketing efforts and meet the specific needs of your customers. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a business plan. This is more than just a document. It's a roadmap, outlining your business goals and the steps you'll take to achieve them. Think of it as a GPS for your entrepreneurial journey. Let's delve into the key components of a business plan. First up is the executive summary. This is a snapshot of your business, detailing what it is, how it operates, and why it's unique. It's your business's elevator pitch, so make it compelling. Next is market analysis. This is where you examine your industry, target market, and competition. You'll need to demonstrate a clear understanding of the hair business landscape. Who are your competitors? What services do they offer? How will you differentiate yourself? Then we have the organization and management section. This outlines your business structure. Are you a sole proprietor, or will you have partners? Who will manage the business? What are their qualifications? It's all about showcasing the team that will drive your hair business to success. Next, we consider the service or product line. What are you selling? In this case, it's not just about hair products or services. It's about the experience you're offering your customers. Detail your services, the quality of your products, and how they meet your customers' needs. Now we move to marketing and sales. How will you attract and retain customers? Here, detail your marketing strategy and sales process. Will you rely on social media marketing, email campaigns, or word of mouth? Finally, we come to financial projections. This section might seem daunting, but it's crucial. It's your opportunity to convince potential investors that your hair business is a good financial risk. You'll need to provide detailed, realistic financial forecasts for at least the next 3 to 5 years. A comprehensive business plan will guide your business decisions and help attract potential investors. Remember, a well-structured business plan is your ticket to entrepreneurial success. So take your time, do your research, and create a business plan that shines. With your business plan in place, you can now set up your LLC. Let's delve into the world of limited liability companies. Establishing your hair business as an LLC has numerous benefits. It provides legal protection, separating your personal assets from your business. It also offers tax advantages, allowing you to avoid double taxation that corporations often face. Consider Tailor Brands for setting up your LLC. It simplifies the process, providing easy-to-follow steps and immediate support. Now let's walk through the steps of registering an LLC. First, you need to choose a unique name for your hair business. This name should reflect your brand, resonate with your target market, and importantly, it must comply with your state's LLC naming rules. You can typically check name availability through your state's Secretary of State website. Next, you'll file the Articles of Organization. This document outlines the basics of your business, including your business name, purpose, and members. While the specific requirements may vary from state to state, Tailor Brands can guide you through the process, ensuring you meet all necessary criteria. Your operating agreement is the third step. This is an internal document that details how your LLC will be run. It outlines member roles, voting rights, profit sharing, and procedures for handling changes in membership. While not every state requires an operating agreement, it's a valuable tool for preventing disputes and ensuring smooth operation. Remember, you'll also need to designate a registered agent for your LLC. This is an individual or business entity authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your business is registered. Lastly, don't forget about the fees. Most states require a filing fee for the articles of organization. The amount varies by state, so be sure to budget for this expense. Setting up an LLC will provide you with legal protection and tax advantages, so take the time to do it right. Your future self and your future business will thank you. After setting up your LLC, the next step is to get an Employer Identification Number or EIN. This 9-digit number, assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, is a must-have for your hair business. It's the tax ID that helps the government keep track of your business dealings. Think of it as a social security number for your business. Now, let's delve into how you can get your EIN. With Taylor Brands, the process is quite simple and straightforward. Head over to the IRS website and fill out the form. It's free and only takes a few minutes. You'll need to answer questions about your business, like the type of entity, the number of members, and the nature of your business. Once you've filled out and submitted the form, voila! You'll receive your EIN immediately. Remember, this number is crucial for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. With an EIN, you can legally hire employees and open a business bank account. Now that your business is legally established, it's time to secure funding. This is a crucial step in launching your hair business, as it provides the capital needed to get your venture off the ground and growing. So where does this funding come from? There are several sources you might consider. The first is personal savings. This is often the most straightforward route, as it doesn't involve any outside parties. However, it's important to remember that starting a business can be risky, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Next, we have small business loans. These are specifically designed to help entrepreneurs like you get their businesses up and running. To qualify for a small business loan, you'll typically need a solid business plan, a good credit score, and sometimes collateral. There are many institutions that offer these loans, from traditional banks to online lenders, so it's worth shopping around to find the best rates and terms for your needs. But perhaps you need more funding than a loan can provide, or maybe you'd prefer not to take on debt. In that case, you might consider seeking out investors. These can be individuals or companies who believe in your business idea and are willing to provide funding in exchange for a stake in your company. To attract investors, you'll need to prepare a compelling pitch. This should clearly explain your business concept, your target market, and how you plan to make a profit. It's also essential to show your passion and commitment to the business, as investors want to see that you're fully invested in making it a success. Keep in mind, securing funding can take time and patience, but it's a necessary step in starting your business. And remember, every successful business started somewhere. With careful planning and determination, you too can secure the funding needed to launch your dream hair business. Securing funding will provide you with the capital needed to start and grow your hair business. Be diligent, stay focused, and remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Starting a hair business in the USA involves careful planning and execution. Let's recap the crucial steps we've discussed in this guide. Firstly, identifying your niche is paramount. This involves understanding what sets your hair business apart, finding your unique selling point, and targeting a specific audience. Secondly, creating a business plan is an essential step. It's your roadmap, outlining your business goals, strategies, marketing, and financial forecasts. This document is instrumental for your business's success and will be a crucial tool when securing funding. Speaking of which, setting up an LLC or Limited Liability Company is the third step. This business structure protects your personal assets in case of business debts or legal judgments. Companies like Taylor Brands can assist you in setting up an LLC with ease. Next, obtaining an Employer Identification Number or EIN is required. This unique 9-digit number, assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, is used to identify your business for tax purposes. Again, companies like Taylor Brands can provide assistance with this process. Lastly, securing funding is essential. Whether it's through personal savings, loans, or investors, having sufficient funding will ensure your business gets off the ground smoothly. Remember, starting a hair business, like any venture, requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. But with careful planning and execution, you'll soon be on your way to success. With these steps, you're now ready to launch your hair business and make your mark in the industry.